Welcome to Ranky 10 Video Rankings. We announce the top 10 rankings of countertop dishwasher. Let's get started. Ranking number 10. Della 032 DW626SL Compact Dishwasher. This countertop appliance is perfect for small-sized household or individuals living in apartments, RV, or both, with limited space for huge kitchen appliances. It is easy to use. User-friendly controls. Heavy-duty performance. Install easily. Ranking number 9. SPTSD 2202W Countertop Dishwasher. With a height of only 17.24 inches, this unit will fit between most countertop and cabinetry. Spacious cavity allows up to 6 standard place settings. Durable stainless steel interior. Up to 8 hours delay start. Faucet adapter included, for quick and simple connection. Ranking number 8. Magic Chef MCSCD6W3 Countertop Dishwasher. Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher gives you the convenience of a large dishwasher without taking up all the space. Use the program knob to choose from 5 wash cycle options. It has automatic detergent and rinse dispenser. Efficient drying system. Anti-flood mechanism. Countertop dishwasher. Ranking number 7. Danby DDW621WDB Countertop Dishwasher. This dishwasher is designed for simple and quick installation, as it can easily be hooked up to any tap in your kitchen. Keeping the appliance clean is a breeze, due to its durable stainless steel interior. 6 place setting capacity, with silverware basket. Energy Star compliant. Low water consumption. Ranking number 6. Ivation IVADWCTBK Portable Dishwasher. Enjoy compact convenience and an exceptionally powerful clean for all your dishes with this portable pint-sized unit. Measuring only 17 inches high, the dishwasher sits atop your counter. 6 wash cycles. Simple touch button operation. Includes sliding dish rack, cup shelf and silverware basket. Ranking number 5. Della 032 DW909SL Mini Dishwasher. Della Mini Dishwasher provides all the convenience of a full-size dishwasher for cleaning your dishes. It features enough space to accommodate 6 standard place settings, making it perfect for singles, couples, apartments, or the office kitchen. Water faucet indicator. Rinse aid warning light. Program selector. Ranking number 4. Danby DDW611W LED Countertop Dishwasher. Danby Countertop Dishwasher features quick connect system that lets you hook it up to any kitchen tap, and the 6 wash cycles will get dishes sparkling. Electronic controls with LED display. Convenient automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser. Fits under most kitchen cabinets. Ranking number 3. EdgeStar DWP62BL Portable Dishwasher. This dishwasher uses only 200 kilowatt-hours per year, approximately 61% less energy than similar countertop dishwashers. In addition to saving energy, this model wastes very little water. Holds plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. 7 wash cycles. Beautiful digital display. Ranking number 2. SPTSD 2201W Countertop Dishwasher. It has 6 wash cycles: heavy, normal, light, glass, speed, soak, user-friendly controls, durable stainless steel interior, and spray arm. It comes with dish rack and silverware basket. Easy installation. Spacious cavity. Water temperature up to 148°F. Finally, ranking number 1. HomeLabs HME010033N Portable Mini Dishwasher. HomeLabs Portable Mini Dishwasher has simple-to-use control panel and light indicators. Program selector has 6 wash cycle options: heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed, and rinse. Streak-free dishes. No tools required. Silverware basket.
Hi, did you enjoy this video? New videos will be updated every 2 days. Please subscribe to Ranky 10 channel. It will be super helpful to us. Thanks for your subscription. You'll be blessed.
Thanks for watching. Check ranking scores and more details on ranky10.com.